Hello everyone, I'm here with another topic, the basics of Python. So, welcome to Python. This section covers setting up your Python environment and writing your first code. We'll explore downloading Python, basic coding, comments, commands, and importing packages. Foundational topics for writing effective Python. Okay, so let's start. First of all, features of Python. So, what are the features of Python? First one is Python is beginner friendly and easy to read, making it accessible to newcomers. Okay. It's incredibly versatile, suitable for web development, data analysis, machine learning, scripting automation, and more. Python boasts a large and supportive community offering ample resources and assistance. It's open source and free to use, reducing barriers to entry and fostering collaboration. Python has a vast standard library providing pre-built modules for various tasks, accelerating development. Its extensive ecosystem includes numerous third-party libraries and frameworks like NumPy, Pandas, etc. Python emphasizes code readability with its clear syntax, improving maintainability and collaboration. And there are various features of Python. Next is how to download Python. For downloading Python, visit the official Python website python.org and navigate to the download section. Choose the appropriate version of your operating system, whether you are having Windows or Mac or Linux. Now about the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Pythons on your computer. Ensure you select the Add Python to Path option to easily access it from your command prompt or terminal. Next is basics of coding in Python. So we are discussing the basics of Python, right? First one is variables. So variables, what are variables? Variables are like storage packets in which we can store something. What the definition says is variables are used to store data. Assign a value to a variable using the assignment operator. So assignment operator is used to store some value into a variable. For example, we have age is equals to 25. So age is the variable and it is assigned with the help of assignment variable. And 25 is the value. Now another example, x is equals to 2. This is the simplest example, like 2 is the value. While using assignment operator, x is the variable. We have assigned x the value 2. Right. Next is operators. Operators perform actions on variables and values. A common operator includes plus, minus, multiply, and modulus, etc. So, what are operators? Operators perform actions on variables and values. Common operators includes plus, minus, multiply, divide, etc. There are number of operators in Python. So, next is data types. Python support various data types. Python including integers and floating point numbers, float, strings, str, and booleans. Bool. Now coming up to functions. Function is a block of code used to perform a specific task. Define functions using the def keyword. Okay, so what is function? Function is a block of codes that are used to perform some specific tasks that are reusable. Functions are reusable. And how do we define function? We define functions with the help of def keyword, right? So moving on to next, using comments in Python. Okay, so what is the purpose of using comments? Comments help explain code and logic, enhance readability. They are ignored by the interpreter. So what are comments basically? Comments are basically the code that is not run by the computer. That is just for explaining a program, right? Now what's the syntax of comments? Use the hash symbol to denote a single line comment. If we are writing a single line comment, then we use hash keyword. But if we are writing multi-line comments, then the multi-line comments is enclosed between triple quotes. Okay, so that's it. And some Python programs, of course. Let us understand some Python program. Simple calculation. Now simple calculation, num1, as I explained you before, that num1 is a variable, is equal to this assignment operator, and 10 is the value that is assigned to the num1. Similarly, 5 is the value that is assigned to the num2. Now sum is equal to num1 plus num2. We have assigned sum, the addition of number 1 and num2. Now print is the built-in function of Python that is used to display something that is enclosed between the double quotes. Okay, so we have written the print the sum is and sum. So in this, the sum will print is 10 plus 5, that is 15. Okay, so second program is string manipulation. This program takes a user's name, greets them, and prints their name in uppercase. Name is equal to input, enter your name. Next is print hello name, print your name in uppercase, and name dot upper and parenthesis. Now what is upper here? Upper is the built-in function of the Python that returns all the letters in uppercase. So these are some basic programs. Next is summary, what we have covered till now in the video. So first one we have done with the Python, introduction of Python. Second we have done with the download and install. We have learned some coding basics, we have learned comments, and we have practiced programs. Okay, so that's it for today. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.